Hi folks, I'm Marty Martin, and today we're going to take a look at the song Fisherman's Blues. This tutorial is going to be broken down into three parts. Part one, I'm going to play it at a normal speed, and you can play along with that if you're happy. And if you want to go to part two, it'll have the strum pattern and the chord breakdown. And then part three will be what I'm calling a slowdown. So if you want to play along slowly, just to get your bearings on the song, and then come back to part one and then play at normal speed. I wish I was a fisherman, tumbling on the seas, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line of abandonment and love. The ceiling bearing down on me, save the starry sky above, with light in my hair, you in my arms. Whoa, whoa. I wish I was a brakeman on a Hurtlin fever train, crashing headlong to the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of the sleepers and the burning of the coal, counting times flashing by in a night that's filled with soul, with light in my hair, you in my arms. From the bonds that hold me fast, and the chains all hung around me will fall away at last. And on that fine and fateful day, I will take thee in my arms. I will ride the night train, and I will be the fisherman with light in my hair, you in my arms. Oh, oh, oh. With light in my hair, you in my arms. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so now this section is the breakdown. We're going to look at the strum pattern, and then we're going to look at the chords involved. Strum pattern is basically down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, change chord, down, down, up, down, up, into your D minor, down, down, up, down, up, and then F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then you're back to your C again, down, down, up, down, 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 up, into your B flat, down, down, up, down, 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 up, into your D minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then into your F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's basically it. Just that pattern, just down, down, up, down, up, and do that as you go through, cycle through those chords in the song. And that's all you need to do. Just follow it the whole way through the song, and hopefully that helps. Okay, I'm going to do that slowly now. I wish I was a fisherman, tumbling on the seas, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line with abandonment and love. Now ceiling bearing down on me, see the starry sky above, with light in my hair, you in my arms. Oh, 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 oh. I wish I was a brakeman on a Hurtlin fever train, crashing headlong to the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of the sleepers and the burning of the coal, counting towns flashing by in a night that's full of soul, with light in my hair, you in my arms. Oh, 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 oh. That hold me fast, and the chains all hung around me will fall